Are you considering buying a new Range Rover Evoque and you're wondering how much it's going to cost you to maintain it over the period of your ownership? Then no problem, you're in the right place. I've got all of the prices right here for you. Hello everyone, I'm Tigger, welcome to Tigger Life. And before we crack on with the prices of the Range Rover Evoque maintenance, there's something really important that I need to talk to you about. Now, since you've all joined me on the journey of Tigger Life on YouTube, the channel's received 34,000 views, which is fantastic. Now, the one thing that's absolutely blowing my mind is only 2% of you are subscribed to the channel. So make sure you don't miss out, subscribe right now because we've got a really big 2026 coming and I wouldn't want you to miss out. So make sure you subscribe right now. Let's get on with it. So something that you'll hear me refer to quite often in this video, I'll just explain it now, is 3+. Now, if you're getting your vehicle serviced at a JLR retailer, then if it's under 3 years old, you pay the full price. And if it's over 3 years old, you pay a smaller price. It's to attract the vehicles back into the network, isn't it? So I'll run through the prices now. And when I say 3+, that's if your car is over 3 years old. So for the first service, that would come in at £675, including VAT. All of the prices will include VAT, so I won't keep saying including VAT. Now, the likelihood is your vehicle's going to be under 3 years old when you have the first service. Well, it definitely will be. So you will be paying £675. Now, the second service, if it's under 3 years old, that's £1,150. And 3+ is £990. And then the third service, that's going to be £900. That's going to be on the 3+ price because the likelihood is, or is incredibly likely, that your car's going to be over 3 years old when you get to the third service. So £900. Now, if you're going to have your front brake pads replaced, that will cost £325, and 3+ is £178. If you need front brake pads and discs, that's £585. Or front brake pads and discs on a 3+ is £285. Rear brake pads is £330 and 3+ is £170. If your rear brake pads and discs need replacing, that's £570, or 3+ is £285. If you didn't see the Range Rover Evoque video that I last did, I'll pop it on a little card at the top of the screen now for you, but don't click off this video just yet. I'll also put a card at the end just so you don't miss it. Now, you'll have seen that the optional extra alloy wheels, they were 19-inch alloys, so the tyres that were fitted to that are 235 55 19 105V. I was surprised at this. Now, the price for the tyres at a JLR retailer, they were exactly the same price as they were on QuickFit's website, so that's great. Now, Pirelli tyres, they're £175, Goodyear's are £165, Continental £165, and I also found some ditch finders at £90, but I would never fit anything other than Pirelli, Goodyear or Continental. I would lean towards Pirelli personally. That's my own personal preference though. You guys may find that you prefer other brands of tyres. If you've gone against everybody's advice and you've bought a diesel and you do low miles, my advice to you is you absolutely must carry out interim oil and filter changes in between the service schedules. So the services are due every 2 years or 21,000 miles, whichever comes first, but that is as an absolute maximum. So I would always say if you're a low mileage driver and you've gone for a diesel, you've got to do oil and filter changes in between. I think they're about £300. Don't quote me on that because I haven't got the exact price, but I think ballpark, that's pretty much right. But if you're watching this video and you're looking at buying a Evoque in the future and you are a low mileage user, just go for a petrol hybrid. They're much better for your driving style, they really are. Otherwise you're going to run into different issues down the road. And the final thing for us to talk about, if you go for a vehicle that's over 3 years old, just buy an extended warranty. It just makes sense. They're about £1,000-ish. I don't know the exact price. Again, I don't have those figures. But for about £1,000, you're going to get a full year's warranty, roadside assistance, courtesy vehicle as well. It just makes sense, and it keeps you covered just in case anything bad does happen. Okay, well that's it in a nutshell. They're the maintenance costs that you'll be looking at during your ownership. If you own the car for 3 or 4 years, that should be all you encounter really. Thank you so much for watching. As I said at the beginning of the video, make sure you subscribe because I don't want you to miss out on anything this year. 2026 is going to be a huge year for Tigger Life, and I'd love you to join me on that journey. I really would. So that leaves me with one thing to say as always. Be good to one another and love life. Always be good to animals, and enjoy the rest of your day.